I did a research based on determining suspects or objects in crime scene investigation. Mainly it's on person identification. Based on the research, I developed a tool for determining suspects or objects in crime scene investigation, and the tool was named as Forensic Determiner. Moving into the agenda of this presentation, initially I'll be going through the current situation of a crime scene investigation and the problem statement I have identified, as well as the solution outlining that I would be presenting. At the latter part of the presentation, I would be going through my solution and how it was made and how useful it would be to the modern society as well as for the crime scene investigations. Current challenges we all see in usual crime scene investigation would be the inaccuracy and inefficiency of a criminal identification. Also, there are limitations arising in the use of mechanical or non-technical devices, unavailability of a suitable image database. About the problem statement is the inability of accurately recognizing a person based on information technological system. The solution that I am presenting is accurate person identification with the use of face recognition, object recognition, image differentiation, facial validation, and boundary-based recognition. This is encompassed with enhanced systematic functionalities, database connectivity, delivering all required information, as well as having a well-designed and developed application that integrate all these features together. Going into the project objectives, it would be to implement all these features together and also to achieve a 90% or more accuracy for the recognitions and a success rate for the software. My software application presents these components as a solution to the current issue: face recognition, facial validation, object recognition, and boundary-based recognition will be used for this tool. Getting into the literature review section, face recognition, as we know, is a type of pattern recognition of a person's face which is recorded in a database for future attempts to determine the identity of the person when the face is viewed for clarification at a later stage. Facial validation differs from face recognition. It's a process of matching known individuals' face between each other and making sure what differences it would arise with the similarity it has. Face recognition and facial validation were implemented using IgentFaces or PZA algorithm, while face detection was implemented using Weiler-Jones algorithm with Haar-based cascade classifiers. This is just a view of or a glimpse of my application with related to face recognition. There are further more details that are to come. I will show it in the demonstration. Facial validation could be taken into account where you would be comparing two faces of this for the similarity, and the most matched image would be taken as an accurate guess for the recognition. Moving into object recognition, this was implemented using SURF algorithm, and as we know, it's about to get known image content through another image, so we could find a match through image database in order to get a better accurate match for an object recognition. Boundary-based recognition was implemented for shoe print recognition. This was implemented using time series and dynamic time warping algorithm. Image differentiation was divided into scene differentiation and object differentiation. This happens based on the image contents and its similarity. The architecture used for the development was MVC architecture, and the programming environment was Java. OpenCV and JavaCV, as well as Java Advanced Imaging Libraries, were very helpful. Testing was done, unit integration and validation testing. Based on the testing, we were able to find out on critically evaluating the software that the software could go beyond the 90% of success rate, and based on overall software it could go at a rate of 90%, and several components like face recognition went up above 95% of accuracy. The overall solution presented is of high standard because the results produced are accurate and efficient.